everybody, it's Andy here from CryptoComparo.com, and in today's video we're going to talk about the recent DOS attacks on the DeFi staking platform. We're going to look at where we're up to on our staking, and also whilst the website is experiencing these DOS attacks, it doesn't seem to be working properly. So I'm going to show you how you can quick and easy way using JustSwap so that you can see just how many DSP tokens you've got. Okay, so with that being said, let's get into today's video. So you can see here, OG, the admin of the DeFi Staking Platform chat, he's just put in here, okay, we've had heavy hits of DOS attacks today. Everything is currently back online. If you have any issues accessing the site, clear your cache, close your browsers, close your wallets. For anyone with concern in regards to these attacks, don't be, your data lives on the contract, not the UI of this website. I have said that in previous video, guys. I've shown you how to interact with the contract. I'll put a link into that video in the comments somewhere. The website is like lipstick on a pig. Interfacing with the contract is not very intuitive, and on Tron scan can be confusing. Yeah, the website's more for people who are not that tech savvy. You just use the website. It's just like, say, showing you how to use it, showing you how to do it. It does help with a website. We all know that, guys. We have developers and admins on this team that will make sure we get the site back up in a timely manner. So they're still working on it, so it's up and down. OG's, yeah, so it's morning. Obviously, I don't know where you guys are tuning in from. Let us know where you're tuning in from, actually. But let's put a comment in below. It's always nice to know where you guys are tuning in from. We're in the UK here. It's currently 20 past 11 at night when we're doing this video. So yeah, but if you've not already done so, like the video as well, subscribe to the channel, turn on bell notifications, as we're doing daily videos now at the moment, explaining our crypto quest, so to speak, with these Dapps and these staking platforms, which seems to be all the raves at the minute. We are doing cryptocurrency day trading, so if it's something you're interested in, you want to learn how to day trade cryptocurrency, let us know in the comments below and we'll do videos on that as well. So yeah, I mean, this goes too fast now. There's quite a lot of people in this. Most of it's just spamming everyone like blowing up, and yeah, we're not bothered about any of this shit. So we'll turn that off. Right, okay, so first of all, we have our 2,500 to collect from yesterday. Let's just see where we're up to in our Tron wallets. We've got 3,000 in Tron wallets. We can do today's stake. So we'll collect them. Okay, so yeah, you can see now with 1 hour 40 to go, there's only 7 million in the contract. If we just give it a refresh, it's probably going to be, I reckon, around about 10 million a day. Less people can slowly get in and the FOMO kicks in and they try and redo it. But yeah, look, the website's not really working properly. We just keep refreshing it. It could be down again, guys. What I will do, I'll pause the video, I'll get the site back up, and then we'll show you in a moment. Okay guys, we're back now. We lost about 10 minutes while it looks like we were changing servers. The devs are really active in here. Let's have a look. So yeah, they're still active, still talking back. So we'll try and get this video finished. So we've just gone onto the auction. So it's still a little down. Let's try and refresh again. By doing that, we'll look at who we can pick for today's 2,500 Tron. Let's have a look. Did you know if you cancelled returns, you'd keep the Tron and only use the DSP? Yeah, Zeddy, I think we'll use you actually, because yeah, you make a valid comment, and I've replied by yes, I'm aware, but others wasn't, including this unlucky YouTuber. So the viewers don't know, there's a little YouTuber, he lost about just shy of 5,000 DSP. He had a stake that was due to end on the same day, but instead of leaving it to the following day for it to end and go in his my ended state, he cancelled it thinking that was done, and he lost half of his DSP profit, which is around 5,000 DSP. It's probably worth about 20,000 Tron at the time. Yeah, it's a bit of a hit, but obviously he's looking to compound that. So I'm going to use Zedia when it's back up and running. We've hit another error. 222. This is happening in a minute. So what happened in the Telegram, and for those of you not following the Telegram, there's a link in the description below for the Telegram channel, is basically some guy was holding the site to ransom, and he messaged him, and he basically open said that he'd been paid to DDoS attack the website for 4 days. So this is what he's doing, and somebody's trying to bring the site down, trying to stop people from entering the contract. The contract today is about 7 million with 1.5 hours to go. So I think a lot of people, 7.5 million, someone's just put here. I think a lot of people are trying to get in before today's auction ends. So that's what we're seeing now. Is a site down. Here we go. It's back up. So let's just use your link real quick. We'll copy your link. And then what we'll do is we'll paste it in here. That's not the link. Hang on. Copy again. You see there's the referral link now, TUFN, and then it ends YOTBA9, YOTBA9. There you go, so that's this. We'll go to the auction for today, and we'll enter in today's. We'll do 2,500 Tron, enter. Let it just update, do its thing. There we go, so we're in for today. So Zedia, congratulations, you've got some divs on us that I'll probably show tomorrow now. So if we go into our stake, now a lot of people have been complaining that's not showing the DSP balance in here. So if you want to know how to get around that, guys, well, all you need to do is if you go to the website called JustSwap, okay, and what you do here is you type into here, you type in, make sure you're connected to your wallet first, and you type into DSP, and what you're looking for is the same contract DSP, so it's this one here, TUCJ ending CRQ9, and that will show you your DSP balance. So I have 836 DSP, so I may have got some divs as well from as well as my auction. So thanks for that, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to stake the 836 DSP. So 836. I'm going to stake them for 10 days. Those of you who've been following my journey, we're doing 10-day stakes. Our first 10 day is going to mature on the 17th. So just shy of ROIing on our 2,500. This 5 day, I tried the 5 day to see if we'd ROI. Unfortunately, you're not going to ROI within 5 days, but it's worth a punt, worth trying. We'll collect it tomorrow and we'll do another video because this is our first stake that we've ended. This was the one that I got in on day 4, guys. It was 15,000 Tron, currently at 20,000 Tron. Yesterday it was at 18,000 something. So we're getting about 2,500 Tron a day now instead of the 5,000. That's off a 15,000 stake. So still good, guys, still good. Obviously, and we've got the interest here on our DSP. Not decided what I'm going to do yet, whether I'm going to sell a DSP, whether I'm going to restake it, whether I'm just going to carry on rolling the 10-day DSP. Not decided at this stage. I'm in this contract now for 40,000, or I will be in the contract for 40,000 Tron. So I'm going to wait and see what happens, get our 40,000 Tron out of this one, I think. Maybe carry on until we get 50,000 Tron so we've got a bit of profit. And then we'll look at just compounding this DSP now. Keep rolling over it, keep staking it every 10 days. So whatever Tron we get more Tron. And depending on the profit, I'll probably throw some more in. So we're at 7.5 million here now. So we just click stake on here. And that'll be our stake now for day 13, expiring on day 23. So we're on day 13 today. This one here that we've done on our, see, we've been entering in every single day. This one here we've done on day 8 as a 5-day stake. Hindsight's a wonderful thing, but yeah, I just wanted to see how long it was taking to ROI. But it does make for a good video because you can prove that obviously we're drawing out the contract tomorrow, and then we're back for day 14, and then we've only really got a few more days then until this matures. So we should, I reckon we'll probably get around about 3,500, probably make about 1,000 Tron on this within the 10 days before it expires. But yeah, but that's it, guys. If you want us to use your link, put a link in the description. All I ask is that you use our link and that you prove that you've used our link. If you put the if you copy your transaction hash ID from your Tron Pay, we'll go and check it and we can see that it's our referral link that you've used, which is here. Then we will use your wallet address for our purchases every day, and we'll just rotate it every day so everybody gets a fair chance of doing it. But then it does mean that we're all helping each other. It does help to get the divs because you get an extra 5%. So yeah, small video. If you can't access the contract for other reasons because the website is down, watch the previous video, link in the description for that. That shows you how to interact with the contract. It is quite easy, guys, once you get your head around it. If you can't see your DSP balance, you just come to JustSwap, you type in the number here, you come to here, you type in DSP, and then you're looking for the third one down, which starts TUCJ, then CRQ7, and then that will show you your true DSP balance. And then you can see, if you go to here, you can compare it against the Tron balance. So at the minute, one DSP is worth 5 Tron. So technically it's like 5 to 1, it would take you 5 days to ROI. But it's slightly longer now because there's a lot more people in it now and the divs are a lot less. So it's taking about 6 to 7 days to ROI. By the time we get our first stake out on day 17, it'll probably take about 10 days to ROI. But yeah, just a small video, just checking in. Hope you guys who've not got in yet today can get in today. Obviously, past the DDosAttacks, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.